Hey everyone. Today I want to test a flip cup with oil paints to answer one of our group members, Velia, who asked me about it. So that's the paint directly from the tube, and I'm going to use WD-40 in a liquid form that I sprayed into the bottle and mix it up. So all of my paints have been mixed the same way, and you can see the viscosity is not the same as the one of acrylic. That's how they look in the cup all together. And so I'm gonna do a little cross in there just to mix them a little bit more. And there it goes. So as you can see, I am wearing gloves in this one because oil is very hard to clean. So have you guys ever done any pouring with oil paintings? This is kind of like a first one for me. First off the bat, I'm gonna tell you that I absolutely love the colors. I love the vibrancy of the colors, so beautiful. That's pretty much the only thing I like about this. And that's how it looks. And so I am just tilting this 4x4. And by the way, since this is a test, I'm not going to be showing this particular pour at the end, but I will show you one that I did earlier. Took me 3 weeks to dry, I'm telling you. And in ceramic, it's supposed to dry faster. I can't even think about how long it will dry if it was a normal painting. But nevertheless, I'm gonna use here a little bit of the leftover paints that I have to fill up the corners for you guys. I mean, we do the same thing with acrylic, right? So yeah, we just help it out a little bit. And oh gosh, I love those colors. But anyway, I think I have a little bit of blue in here I'm gonna use in this corner. But yeah, I understand that there is like a Floetrol type of medium to use with oil paints, but since this is not something I'm gonna be doing, I mean, this is just a little test for our friend Velia, I didn't want to buy it, so I used oil directly to thin out the paint. So let's see, I'm gonna swipe this blue and see what happens here. Definitely no cells, but beautiful color patterns, that's for sure. And I have a tiny bit of green in there. Maybe I can use a little bit of yellow in that little corner over there. So yeah, like I said, this is just something I just wanted to test. You know, experimentation is just the beginning of the fun, we say in liquid art. But yeah, here it is, and I'll show you the dry one that I made. This is one that I made before, the one that I told you it took me 3 weeks to dry. The only difference in this one is that I use water, 1 drop of water in the oil with the oil to mix the paint, and the one that I did today, I did not. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, keep pouring.